Closer, closer, closer. Closer, closer from the last one.
Oh, hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Tiara J, and we back for another wig slaying. Y'all see we got some curls today. We got some little fall time. You know, she's getting chilly outside. She can handle a little bit of heat with the hair. We can handle a little bit of comfort. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Shout out to Alipearl for sending us our curly girl. Y'all make sure to click the links down below. Check out all of their information. See how you can get some money off. I'm sure I got a little coupon code down there for y'all. So y'all just make sure to go and check it out. First of all, the hairline. It's the hairline for me. Cause very good, very nice, very just, y'all. This is probably one of my favorite hairlines. Glueless situation y'all gonna see in this video. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this wig install. Jesus, good thing it is cooling down. Cause baby, this is what, 26 inches? 26 inches of curls? But y'all, I am loving the big curls. Y'all see? Curly girl, this is a lot of hair. I will say, this a whole lot of hair for your mama, okay? So if you are looking for a full high density wig, this is definitely your girl. If you're looking for a big curly girl, this is definitely your girl. I didn't do too much defining. I still wanted to like have that poofy look, but y'all did see I went through detangled, you know, diffuse, not diffuse, but what's the word? Define. I defined the curls just a bit. I didn't do it too in depth. Like I said, I wanted to really maintain some of this poofiness I got going on because I just love big hair. Such a vibe, such a statement, such a look. So y'all, I am in love with the wig. Alipearl always gets a 10 out of 10 for me. Y'all make sure to click them links down below. Make sure you let me know how you feeling her. What we gonna name her? I'm gonna start naming my wigs. Yes, because I need to like, I got so many wigs that I just need to write their name on their little section and their region and their little bags. I gotta name her. She's giving me like Sasha. We're gonna name her Sasha. She's big, she's like popping out, you know. So yeah, we got a little Sasha on our hands, yes. So yeah, y'all comment down below. Let me know how y'all feeling Sasha and her curve. And subscribe if you ain't subscribed. Okay? No, I'm not gonna fight you, but yeah, subscribe if you ain't subscribed, girl. And yeah, that's it. That's all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. And also make sure to shop Alipearl down below. Go check them out. And yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video.